Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact a seller in the eBay app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the eBay app and tap on an item what you would like to order, and you have to scroll down, and here you can see about this seller. You tap on it and here on the top there is his shop, and you can tap on about, and here in the middle you have this button, tap on contact, and here you can write a message to the seller of this item. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.